Let's take a look at this example. In order to make this problem looking a little bit simpler, I'm going to redraw it. Please notice that we have current source in parallel with resistor R1. We can draw this circuit like this. This is my current source and this is my resistor R1. They look different, but you know, if from electrical point of view, this is exactly the same circuit. So this is my R1 and it has resistance 4.2 kilo ohms, and this is my I source, okay, and it has value of 5 milliamps. Okay, so I'm going to assume this is my ground. Please notice that this time arrow goes down. Okay, so arrow points down, so it means I'm supposed to draw my voltage source in this way. So it means my current, okay, keep in mind that we use the conventional current flow, is going to be pushed down. Okay, so this is my ground and I have my resistor over here. Resistance is R1 equals 4.2 kilo ohms, and this is my voltage source. Okay, you can make this terminals a little bit longer. This is X, Y, X, Y, and if you want to find the value of the voltage, okay, so we have Vs is equal I source times R1, where I source is equal 5 milliamps times R1 4.2 kilo ohms. So voltage source is equal 5 exponent 3 negative times 4.2 exponent 3. This is equal 21 volts. Okay, so Vs is equal 21 volts. So we can say that we converted the current source to the voltage source, and the problem is solved.